But there's another path to power, a path less well taken, less understood, and in my experience, actually far more effective. And that is what I call the indirect path to power. The indirect path to power consists in this: by controlling the environment of those on the direct personal path to power, you control them. I will repeat that. By controlling the environment of those on the direct personal path to power, you control them. Sometimes we use a form of political shorthand, an aphorism, to sort of sum up what we mean by that, which is us telling a politician, give me your vote or give me your seat. I don't really care which one.